All right, if you've been studying for the GRE for a while, you're probably very aware of the technique of number picking to save you some time on GRE quant. Now, it's a perfectly good tool, works great in some circumstances, but it's also the tool I see being abused the most often, or at least one of the tools I see being abused the most often by test takers. Here's what I mean. Often there are multiple ways to solve a particular GRE question. You could apply some logic or do something that's algebra or arithmetic, for example, or you could pick numbers. Now, if you're defaulting to picking numbers and you're lobbing random numbers at the questions over and over and over, on a lot of those questions, you're going to waste a whole lot of time. So two things I want you to do. First of all, take a look at the questions that you're spending more than, let's say, 2.5 minutes on. If a whole lot of the time you're picking numbers when there's some faster path available, I want you to try to rein in that number picking. Second is a very, very general rule of thumb. Maybe on a GRE quant section on the actual exam, you might want to pick numbers once, twice, maybe 3 times. If it's more than that, you might be overdoing it. And if you are, it might be costing you time. And I want you to really fight to find those alternatives and put those at the front of your head as well.